Hello everyone. Today I am here with sweet and spicy mango curry, a favorite rice puller made using raw mangoes. It's one of many Sri Lankan side dishes that makes regular rice and curry special, gluten-free, vegan and vegetarian. I have probably surprised a few of my relatives who knew me when I was a teen, especially when I started cooking. Why? Because the person they knew when I was a teen never spent a lot of time in the kitchen. I preferred books to spices and curries. In fact, I hated the kitchen. After a few years later, I suddenly realized that food is just like books. They can open a doorway to other cultures, history, and an awareness of flavors, and it surprised me how much I have learned, picked up by skills on cooking, being an observer. One of the first dishes I have watched my mother make is this dish of sweet and spicy mango curry. For example, I would have never known that I had to cook the mangoes for such and such time till it reached a perfect golden amber if I had not watched her making it. This was my absolute favorite dish, and I made sure to hang around my mother when she made it so I could get a few extra mangoes before everyone rushed in for meals. A bit biased, but I still think no one makes a mango curry like my mother. I don't know if it was the type of mango she used or the way she cooked the dish, but it still is the best mango curry I have ever tasted. And I add that when everyone says that their guilty pleasure is chocolate, mine has been this sweet mango curry. Don't get me wrong, I do have a few favorite dishes like pineapple chutney. But sitting down with a bowl of mango curry, dipping a slice of bread in the spicy sweet gravy, and enjoying all the goodness is a pleasure on its own. Now about the mango curry itself, because of the different cultures here, there are always variations of the same dish. We have our own sweet and spicy mango curry for the food lovers who really love the combination of sweetness with spice. We also have the mango curry that is cooked with the skin on and has a slight sourness to it, without which goes very well with a village type meal with red rice. Now let's see the ingredients. 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 large onions, a handful of curry leaves, 3 or 4 cardamom pods, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, pinch of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half cup of sugar. If you are worried that the sugar content is too much, keep adding a few tablespoons until you reach your preference on how sweet it should be. 4 or 5 raw mangoes cut into 4 and peeled. The mangoes to be used have to be raw so that it doesn't lose its texture and shape when cooked. 1½ cup of water, salt to taste. Now let's see how to cook. Preparing the mangoes to be cooked, peel the skin on the mangoes. Keep in mind, we are not slicing the mangoes here but separating them into 4 or 8 parts. This can only be done if the mango is raw or it will turn into mush. Once you cut the mango into 4 parts, dig out the seeds, peel the skin and wash them. Take a pan, cook the mangoes with salt to taste and leave it to cook until the mangoes turn soft in sufficient water. Now add sugar and cook in medium heat. Place another pan on medium heat. Let it warm before adding the ingredients. For the oil and the sliced onions, curry leaves, cardamom pods, chili and turmeric. Cook the ingredients for 3 minutes or until the onions caramelizes. Add the mustard seed just a minute before you move on